This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, today in this video we will discuss module number 21 of course, a beginner's guide to Java programming language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is using string builder class in Java. So let's start. It is a mutable sequence of characters. String builder is not immutable like string class. Key methods of string builder class are: number 1, append method, and the second one is insert method. The string builder is available in Java.io package, hence it has to be imported. Let's understand the usage of string builder class. With the help of an example, we will execute a program in Eclipse IDE and see how it is used in Java. So here we are, Eclipse IDE of Java language. We will click on this button, click the Java project, and type using string builder class, name of the project. Click on the next button and we'll click on the finish button. Type the module name as program. Click on the create button. So you can see that the module has been created for using string builder class Java project. We'll click on right click on the module and delete it. Now we'll click on the src folder, right click on it and create a class by going to the new option, click on the class button. Here we'll type the name of the class as program and click on the public static void main checkbox, clicking on the finish button. Here you can see that we have a program in Java. Here we'll type the description as using string builder class. So here you can see class program. So we'll delete this public, it's not a public program, class program. So under this we will, under the method void method, we will type string builder str equal to new string builder, and we'll type welcome and goes in double quotes. And now we'll type str.append. We have just discussed that append is the method and the insert are two key methods to use the string builder class. So we'll type str and type dot append, the method used for it. Under this we'll type Java, close in double quotes. Next statement, we are going to use a string builder. Now we'll type system to display the output on the screen, system.out.println. You are very much familiar with this statement. Under this we will type using append method colon space and plus str. Now we will type str dot insert and used 5 and then type hello semicolon. Use one more system.out.println statement and type using insert method, which is also a key method for str. Same like that, plus str is typed over here so that the value stored in str will be displayed on the screen. And then type str.delete one more method as 2, 5 and type system dot. We'll copy this line which is actually used to display a result on the screen. System.out.println using delete method will be type goes in the double quotes and plus str likewise. Now we're going to execute this program and see the output on the screen. So we will go to the run button. From here we'll click on go to the run as option. From here we'll click on the Java application. So you can see that the append method result is welcome Java, welcome hello Java, and then VLOME Java. So you can see that I'm going to interpret this program like the first append method was used to display the string welcome exclamation sign exclamation. So you can see welcome sign of exclamation and Java with the append method. So you also see that string append is used with the Java keyword text enclosed in double quotes. So you have seen that welcome Java is displayed with the append method, but here in the insert method you can see VE is for the welcome WEL. So you can see that in the insert method we have used 5. It means that after the 5 letters of welcome like WELCO, hello will be replaced, and you can see hello and then ME sign of exclamation means that after WELCO 5 letters of welco, you can see that the hello is inserted. So right after the WELCO you can see HELLO. So this hello is inserted right after the 5 text letters of well. So after that you can see again ME sign exclamation and then Java, because welcome Java was typed in the append section, append method. And then by using the delete method you can see right after the second character of welcome Java you can see WE and then 5 letters right after the second letter LCOME has been deleted, and you can see that hello has been replaced over here, and you can see only ME on the screen. So you can see right after the second text you can see LCO has been deleted, and you will only see ME sign exclamation and Java. So here hello is inserted between welco and ME, but here you can see LCO has been deleted, so you can see only hello on the screen. So there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 characters in welcome. So right after the second place, delete method is used, and we can see these 3 out of 5. You can see W. If you start counting from the welcome from W, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you can see, so out of these 5 characters, right after the second place, you can see that LCO cannot be seen over here because they have been deleted by using this delete method, which actually delete. It means that from the 5 characters of first 5 characters of this string from append method, first two will be shown on the screen, and rest of the 3 will be deleted by using the delete method. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching, and now we will discuss the wrapper classes in Java language in our next video.